Nigeria Railway Corporation suspend Warri train service after train derail in the forest, left 148 passengers and 38 crew stranded. It was gathered that the train left Warri early Sunday and got derailed at around 12 p.m. inside the forest between Ajakuta. The place is not far from the bus stop. The passengers were thankful that there were no casualties. They were immediately alerted and reported to the police, Nigeria Army, NSCDC, and the community vigilante were immediately deployed, and they were assisted by the local government chairman to a safe place.
See the factors are still there too. See the factors are still there too. See how God deliver us from this factors accident this morning from Ajakuta to Itakpe. See how the train cut into four parts. See it. See it. See it. God is faithful. The Almighty God save every soul. See.
Sir, I know you're at Kaduna, but we need protection here because we are in the protection. And we need any way we can be rescued from here. We are inside the city. That people is going to people where even they say turn by turn
See it. Where the face of the train turn back and jump to the other side, to the other coach.
Make everybody gather for one place. We go big selection of what we do. Who they got to now? We not go to the got if not to go back, make security just phones, make the
All the security system now, we have not even seen anyone. We are not seeing them.
No, you keep everybody here, they just kill us.
When is coming from? Then they come. Move, people calm down. We're not the talk since. Calm down.
Tell
calm
everybody
down.
to remain in one.
Calm down.
When the train come. Baba, they do that on video.
Why?
You supposed to before.
You know what make a report where they go.
If you want report, you know they have before coming.
And that one you can't do. Inspector. You call your concussion.
Now because of you, now we come here.
Now you are talking. You know what make I show, make IG promote you. You don't be ASP. Look at this man. You should be happy I put you on the video so that they're going to say you come rescue people. You should be happy that I put you so that IG will see you.
Where the pilot now? Let him tell us how to take happen. Whether they block road or na street carry am or make we know.
Good question. Good question.
When the kind of
No. I agree with him. You know what happened?
when they called this place, it was last year they called. And thank God say we quickly discovered that.